everyday clean India campaign.
I can easily elongate those things.
Why our prime minister that we got positive consequences of it. We found here and there in
Topic was a great success.
and the malaria kind of thing. Clean our India, and this thing is very good.
Friends, good morning. How are you? I'm good, and today we are here to discuss GD and topic Clean India campaign. And many students are sitting here, and they want to speak on view. They want to put on view. So today, let's see how they will discuss.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening. I hope you all are fine as looking by your faces. So today we are discussing about the topic which is Make a Clean India campaign. So let's get started. So everyone knows why Clean India campaign is celebrated in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi, our Mr. Honorable Prime Minister. He started one campaign which was on 2 October, 2nd of October in 2024. So at that moment the honorable prime minister, he started this campaign, and from that day still we have been following that day to clean India campaign. And you can see in the beaches that they are the people who just take the things and we consume the things, and they just throw the garbage on the land, on the anywhere. At that moment, it's my personal opinion that we should not do these types of things by which we can keep our water clean and by which we can keep our land clean. And as normally that everyone is following the clean India campaign on the only particular day. In my perspective, the thing is that we should follow everyday clean India campaign by which we can clean like how we clean our home every day. We should clean our nation too with the everyday and with a new hope. So that's all about it.
Okay, so good evening all of you. Good evening. How are you all? Fine. I'm also good. So I really wanna appreciate your points. Just because of your points, I got many new points, so I can easily elongate those things. So there are many orthodox kind of person people in our country. They always blame the government, that government is not doing anything good for us. The government is doing this is not bad, this is not good, this is not bad. They are just doing this kind of thing. If you are going to blame them, you should also blame yourself as well. If you are eating something and you are just throwing the garbage on the road, just because of that people are suffering by the diseases, this is not good. This is not good. Just because of you, animals are getting hurt by your garbage. This is not good. On the road you would see the water, full of water roads, just because of your garbages, because you are throwing this garbage on the road. This is not good. So you should not do this kind of thing. And if you really want to blame them, you should also blame yourself first. And if you would do something good for the nation, so you should do good for yourself first. If you would do good for yourself, the nation would be clean as well. Right now we all are in international institute. You can see here there is no garbage anywhere. There you would see only cleanliness. Just because of that cleanliness, if you can see the beautify your things, whatever we are having right now. If you would do this kind of thing at your home, at your street as well, you would feel that kind of beauty. You won't feel any kind of agitation, any kind of diseases, this kind of thing. You won't feel any bacteria or something. So that's why I can say you should also go like this. You should not blame the government. First blame yourself, then you can blame anyone.
So good evening to all. Good evening. How are you? Fine. I'm also fine. So we are talking about Clean India campaign. So my friend, they both said good point, and I also want to say about Clean India campaign. I want to say about why our prime minister, he started that Clean India campaign, because they want to make our India open defecation free. Means in villagers, we can see in villagers they had not their personal toilets for using. They go outside, and this is not good things. Because of these things they get disease, they get infection. That's why they started that Clean India campaign. And they means in starting they said our prime minister, he said that till 2019 we will means our prime minister, he gives free toilet for villagers. And yes, it's good for everyone, because we know how villagers they live their life in village. So it's important point, and we should start from ourselves. First we should start from ourselves, then we can say to other, means do these things. So we should do clean thing.
So good evening to all. Good evening. How are you all? Fine. I'm also good. So as you all are said, good point. Even that the thing which I like to speak on that about Clean India campaign. So it was started by our Honorable Prime Minister on 2 October 2014. That means the good initiative which was taken by our Prime Minister. The consequences that we got positive consequences of it. That now we don't see any dirtiness. We don't see garbage on the road. We don't see different kind of things on the road, but earlier we had. So that a good initiative, I would say, and accept it as the ma'am said about sanitaries and dirtiness in villages. So yeah, in the term of cleanliness, that village now we have seen that huge improvement in villages. They don't means they have their personal toilets, so they don't need to go outside and do that different kind of things. So these are good initiative. And about oceans and about rivers, so now we can see that improvement with cleanness in that. So earlier we had that about Yamuna river. We know that the dirt and the garbage were there, but now it is cleaned, and that are because of our that campaign. Yeah, that's all about it.
So hello to everyone. Hello. How are you all?
Fine, and you?
So today's our topic is the Clean India. It was started by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on 2nd of October 2014. It was just started to create our India a free or a beautiful India. Just because there are the dust and the things we found here and there in mostly in the sea areas, we found that things because of what the marine animals affect the most. There are many animals who get killed by the plastics and all we found on the beaches and this kind of things in nowadays. But nowadays there are many youths who get inspired from his campaign and doing more things to get the India clean.
So good evening everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Fine, and you? I am also good. So as you all know, we are talking about Clean India campaign. It was basically started by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and on the respectful Prime Minister who was our first Prime Minister, or Mahatma Gandhi. So this topic was a great success, I can say, and recently in G20 it was having a great plan, and you can see that the country was on a great alert of cleanliness and was showing our country to develop more. And these things can show us our country developed, and basically these topics can make our country clean. This is not the thing that a government should follow. This should be followed by the people of our government, should be followed by the people of our country, and not basically by the government. It is not for the sweepers or the garbage collectors that our country have made. It should be for every person in our country.
Okay, so good evening all of you.
Good evening.
How are you all?
Fine, and
I'm
you?
also good. So just I want to talk about Clean India campaign, because Clean India campaign is very good for us, because by that we got more thing what is clean for us, and we should always clean of our around, because if we make cleanness, so always we just see that there are more kind of mosquitoes. They just make us diseases, and we just get more kind of diseases like dengue and malaria kind of thing. So if we make cleanness, so this just because of that we can also make freshness, and it's very good for our India, because by this we can also make our India increasing, and this thing very good for us.
So hello to everyone. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
So
So I'm also fine. So we are here for the discussion of the Clean India campaign, and it's what very good for us because by that we seen like our India is clean, and by that we getting a fresh thing like a water clean, and by that we are getting a fresh air. This type of thing is good for us. If that's why Clean India campaign is very important for us, and we know is the Clean India campaign we can develop by the like our mentality. If like we can change our mentality, we can think like if you are not means you can go anywhere, and like we can take anything, and we can not throw any type of things for others any type of places, and we can throw in the like a dustbin and this type of thing we can do. So by that we also control our we can control our garbage and this type of thing, and by that we also clean our India and clean our India, and this thing is very good for. And by that we also we think like it's our India. By that we seen is our India is good. Yeah. This.